The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Little River County in southwestern Arkansas, northwestern Sevier County in southwestern Arkansas, McCurtain County in southeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Franklin County in northeastern Texas, western Bowie County in northeastern Texas, northern Titus County in northeastern Texas, Red River County in northeastern Texas, until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:57 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Octavia to 10 miles northwest of Broken Bow to 8 miles east of Manchester to 7 miles northeast of Clarksville to near Wilkerson, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include the Queen, New Boston, Clarksville, Horatio, Foreman, Hagensport, Bucks Elder, Idable, Broken Bow, DeKalb, Magada, Winthrop, Gilham, Arkinda, Dalby Springs, Wilkerson, Wright City, Talco, Avery, and Millerton. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for southwestern Arkansas, southeastern Oklahoma, and northeastern Texas. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot